Hi, in this tutorial, we will learn how to add a column to a table. So we already have an existing table, but we want to add a new column to it. So how will you do that? For that, all you have to do is use alter table and then the table name and then add column and then the column name. So column name in our case would be, let's say, web URL, and then the type of the data would be, let's say, varchar, and the length would be, let's say, 100, and then bracket close and then semicolon. So alter table, then the table name, it can have the database name as well. So here is the database name, and then add column, then the column name column name that we want to give it to it, and then the data type, and then the length of the data type. So for integers it doesn't support any length any longer, but for others you have to specify the length. So then bracket close and then you're done. So just run this and we can see that a new column has been created. And to check that further, we can just describe the table using the statement desc and then the table name, and then we can run that. And if you will run that, then we can see that we have this web URL as the new column with the data type varchar, and the length would be 100. So this is what we had mentioned in this statement or query, that alter table, table name, add column, column name, and then the varchar, and then 100. So when we ran it, the MySQL DBMS, it created or it added a new column to the table, and that's what we wanted. So this is how you add a column to a table in MySQL. Thanks so much for watching this tutorial. If you liked it, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you didn't, then leave a comment so that we can improve it further. Do watch these suggested tutorials to learn even more, and do let us know what you want to learn on Being Skilled.